All right, homeschool moms, you asked for it. How do you share my homeschool village and make a ton of money? Let me show you. Part of my homeschool village's mission is to help moms stay home. We understand that it takes money for a mom to be able to homeschool, and some of you are still working, some of you are single, some of you are just needing to bring in a little extra income. And my homeschool village is actually set up for you to be able to do that without taking away too much time for your kids. So I'm going to give you a little tour on exactly how to do that. Now, I don't know if you've heard about affiliate commission, but people will go out and try to get 100,000 followers so that they can get a brand deal, and then they only make 10 to 20% commission on a $10 to $15 order, and so they're making $1 a piece. And you see these people making tons of money on TikTok or whatever. They're getting onesies and $2 at a time, maybe 20 if they're lucky on a deal. So I'm going to show you how to make even more than that and not need to have 100,000 followers or any of that. Now, number one, you may want to start a new account. You can go into TikTok, you can go into Facebook, you can go on Instagram, wherever you want to go. I'm going to show you how to do this on Facebook, but you can do the exact same thing on all of the platforms. Go open up a new account. If you want to use your private, use your private, okay? But if you want to keep that separate, totally understandable, go open a new account. Name it homeschooling. Name it whatever you want to name it. It doesn't matter. Go in, make it just pretty bland. Whatever you want to do with it, you can be faceless, okay? Because I'm going to show you how to do this. Let me dive in here, okay? Get a new account. Hold on. I'm going to share with you. All right. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go into school. You are a member of school. Now I will give you a heads up here. You should be a part of two different parts. We have the homeschool co-op and we have the homeschool community. Now, depending on which link you share, where they join and what commission you will get. I'm going to show you the higher commission for your sake. So it's a 40% either way. But you're going to go to the group, you're going to go to members, you're going to click invite. Right here is your link. This link is tied to you and only you and will give you your commissions. You'll be able to see it under affiliates here and see what money you're making. You're going to copy this, just click it. Okay, copied. That's it. Now you're going to go to your Facebook account. I'm in my private account here. And all you have to do, actually, let me go back here. Log into your Facebook account, come up here and type in My Homeschool Village. Okay. Once you're there, My Homeschool Village posts will pop up and you pick one. Now, here's one right here. You click the share button. That share button, come in here, paste. Now, on my Mac, I can put Command V. I can right click on my mouse and paste. And then I can write a quick message. And I can just put on here like, hey, love this so much, whatever. Okay. I'm actually not going to post this right now. Click share now. That is all. That's it. Okay. That's all you have to do this. Now, let me tell you, you can do this on TikTok, you can do this on Instagram, you can do this on YouTube. And what happens is you share. Now, I post 5 to 10 times a day inside my homeschool village. So you can literally go back, take all 10 from yesterday, for example, and put that share, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, share on a new account. Now, an account that posts 1 to 3 times a week is not going to grow very fast, but an account that it posts 5 to 10 times a day will blow up quickly. And you don't have to put your face on it. So all you have to do is go in every day, every night, or pick a time, morning or night. Get on your computer or on your phone and do exactly what I just did. Share link, share link, share link. Okay. I recommend you put a message on there that does help, but you can post as many times as I'm posting. You can share your stuff, my stuff, as often as you want under whatever account you want. I will be keeping an eye on these, but I trust you ladies. So you go in there, you share. Every time somebody purchases under your account, you make a 40% commission. That's recurring, which means if they sign up for $200 a month today, you get $80. And then you get that $80 every month they stay. And we've had families stay for years on end. So if you only got one person to sign up on month one and one person to sign up on month two, now you're making 160 bucks that shows up in your bank account. What if you did five a month? Now you're making money. If you started posting this every morning, you got on and did this for an hour, it wouldn't even take an hour, take you 10 minutes, get on Facebook, post it, all 10 of what I do, 5 to 10 of what I do with your link. Eventually, you will get more and more and more reach, answer questions, comments, whatever you need to do in there. Be faceless. Let me be your face if you want. Get that 40% commission. And before you know it, you're financially free. My homeschool village is growing. You're growing. Moms are happy everywhere. This is what we set up. And you don't even have to put your face on there. You don't have to do videos. You don't even have to come up with a post. You literally just share what I've already created with the world, and you're going to make all the money you need. And you can do it in under less than an hour a day. You don't have to do a job. You don't have to leave your home. You don't have to leave your children. You literally just post every morning, faceless, with your link. Keep it going. And then we're gonna start doing all kinds of competitions in here with you ladies, and let's see who can do the best. In the meantime, go make money for your family. This will take you no time. It will take you less time than it's currently spending you scrolling on social media. So if you have any questions, comment in below because you've got this. This is a piece of cake. There is no easier way in the world to make money than this. Let me know how it goes.